when I walked into the hospital on Monday, I was touring around the hospital, and as any other director and any other staff member out there knows, I started looking around and we had all these trach patients and all this white tubing all hanging off the bed, bags of water hanging from them, sloshing around. Some of the tubing was on the floor, and I just couldn't believe it was cool mist. And you have to wonder, how have we gotten away from what we learned in school, RT 101, anatomy and physiology, where we learned about humidification and what we needed with the water vapor pressure to keep the mucociliary escalator moving. We totally bypassed the nose, the upper airway that warms, filters, and humidifies the air by putting in this trach in, and we're putting on cool mist. And it's been shown that cool mist shuts down that escalator, and it keeps the secretions from moving. So here I had all these patients who we were having a hard time, number one, getting off the vent, and once they were off the vent, we couldn't get them decannulated, and they were plugging their trachs because you give them this cold, wet mist that does nothing but sit on top of the airway, and it has these particle sizes that can carry bacteria.